Welcome creative entrepreneurs once again to my channel. I'm super duper excited to have you here on my channel. So if you're joining me, this is Creative Entrepreneurship channel where we share information on how you can make money online. And if you're looking for business opportunity where you can invest your money, then this is the right channel for you. So kindly smash the like button, smash the subscription button so that you can get to see videos like this. If you're getting value from this video, type in the comment section, this video, it's I'm getting value from this video. Thank you guys and welcome once again to year 2025, where we are going to journey to make a lot of money. So I'll be sharing with you an important opportunity which I myself personally have made money from this website. So this information is typically for those that are living in the United States. So if you're living in the United States, kindly follow me as I show you how you can make money online. So I'll be going to the website. Let me just go dive over to my LinkedIn account, and Telus Digital is the name of the website. So let me open the project. So you're going to see apply. Let's click on it. So over here you can see online tax contributor, English, United States. So if your state fall into these different states over here, then you are happy to apply. So kindly note that ignore the start date. You can apply for today because this information was sent 8 hours from now. So the preferred availability is 10 hours per week. So that means you can work 10 hours per week and more hours depending on the work on the platform. So kindly note that the estimated hour earning for this role is 11.50 USD. So payment is based on completed tasks with the potential for higher earning based on productivity. So that is the amount that this job is being paid for. So also, these are the basic requirements: proficiency in written and verbal English, residency in the United States for the past 3 consecutive years, ownership and regular use of a smartphone. It can be Android, it can be iPhone, and so you must also have a Gmail account. So familiarity with current and historical local business, media, sports, news, social media and cultural affairs. So that is part of the requirement. Experiencing in navigating web browser and smartphone app for content interaction, willingness to download apps, understanding of various social media environments including memes, then virality and trends. The interest in projects relating to AI platform is preferred. So these are the basic requirements for you to jump and work on this project. So personally, I've been able to work from 2023 2024. So I'm going to be sharing with you an invoice which I received from Telus Digital on working as an online tax contributor. So kindly know that you're going to sign a non-disclosure agreement. So that's why I'm just going to share a screenshot with my name is off it, so that it's the agreement we signed as a contract as working as an online tax contributor. So let me dive over to my, so here is a screenshot. So as at November 30th 2023, I was able to receive $234.90. So also on the October 27th, I was able to withdraw 463 USD 90 cents. Also on September 29th, I was able to withdraw 320.90 USD. So also on August 30th, I was able to withdraw 343.66 USD. And also over here, July 28th, I was able to withdraw 241.31 USD. Also on June 30th, I was able to withdraw 463.65 USD. Also over here on May 30th, I was able to withdraw 411.23 USD. And lastly, over here, I was able to withdraw 307.5 USD on the 28th of April. So let me dive over to the one I was able to. So this is a payment from August 30th, 2024, which is 410.85 USD. So these are the compilation of the amounts I've been able to withdraw for as working for this company, Telus Digital, which was formerly Telus International, and working as an online tax contributor. So if this information is what sounds good to you, kindly go over and apply now, because they are currently recruiting. That is why I have to do this video. So kindly subscribe to my channel to get more informations like this, so that you can get benefits from this company. I also have so many information I'll be sharing, so kindly subscribe to our channel, click on the notification box so that more people can get to see this video. So I'll be seeing you in the next